Good morning. This is a recording from Monday, September 23rd. Some of you may recognize my favorite spot in Connecticut. I am at my friend's house. Absolutely love this view. But anyway, we continue reading from the book of Awakening by Mark Nepo, and today's essay is titled Until We Live It. We come with all these parts and no instructions how they go together. It is so tempting to want the answers before we begin the journey. We like to know our way. We like to have maps. We like to have guides. But we are more like a breathing puzzle, a living bag of pieces. And each day shows us what a piece or two is for, where it might go, how it might fit. Over time, a picture starts to emerge by which we begin to understand our place in the world. Unfortunately, we waste a lot of time seeking someone to tell us what life will be like once we live it. We drain ourselves of vital inner fortitude by asking others to map our way. At the end of all this stalling, though, we each have to venture out and simply see what happens. The instructions are in the living. And I confess that of all the times I thought I liked this or didn't care for that, not one was of my choosing or yours. For as the earth was begun like a dish breaking, eternity is that scene slowly reversing, and you and I, and the things we are drawn to, are merely the pieces of God, unbreaking back together. Oh, I love that. Unbreaking back together. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Keeping your breath nice and soft, completely natural. Remind yourself that there is nothing you need to fix right now. Not your breath, not yourself, not this moment. It's all good enough, just the way it is. See if this reminder helps you settle into a sense of spaciousness, a sense of freedom, a space in which all the experiences of the present moment, physical sensations, thoughts, emotions, can simply flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now take a moment to bring to mind how fresh today is. With each breath, drop your preconceptions about where you are going and what you must do. Simply breathe and know that everything is possible, and everything, even this day, is completely unknown until you live it. I'm going to give you some space in silence to simply breathe. Drop all your preconceptions about where you're going, what you must do, and reflect on the freshness of today. Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself with gratitude for being here, for doing this practice. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I appreciate the freshness of each day. May I know deep, natural peace. As always, as you let go of your practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. Remember that everything is possible and everything, even this day, is completely unknown until you live it. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow.